welcome to YouTube channel of Conduct Info System. Today we are going to learn how to add avatar if there is no image uploaded in backend. For example, if we upload an image, the image will be rendered here. But if there is no image uploaded here, first image of the name will be applied as avatar. Let's see code for it. Here, this code will render the image if it is available in the backend. Else, we can add any render image or text from the first name, span class equals to rounded circle and display 6. We have added bootstrap for style here. Now for getting first letters, we will simply render it from student dot name, and for uppercase student dot name 0, it will get first letter of the name dot uppers. This method will change the lower letter to uppercase. More style can be applied. Style equals to background color red, color column white. Update module. Now if we upload image, we can see image here. Else first letter will be displayed here. Thank you for seeing this video. Like, subscribe and share for updated.